In this video, I'm gonna explain you how can you change your store's images. We offer an option where you can set a default image for all your stores, but you can also set individual image per stores. So let's start with the default image. You will go to the settings, general, then click on default store image, set image URL, and here you will copy the image or the URL, paste it, and then save. Then you can go back to your store locator, refresh, and here you will see all your stores with the same image. However, if you want to have individual image per store, you can go to locations, then click on one of them and edit. Scroll down until you are in store image, and here you can paste the URL. So let's use this one. I paste it and then click save. So if I go to the store locator again, you will see that the change has been applied and your store has a different image. However, if you have multiple stores, you can always do it, or you can always add the image URL in your CSV or in your Google Sheet. So I'm gonna explain you now how to do it with your Google Sheets. Here in locations, you can click add multiple locations. Then in connect to Google Sheets, you will open your Google Sheet, and then here you can paste the image URL per store. So I'm gonna use this sample images. Oh. Copy image address, then paste it. Then let's use this one. Copy image address and paste it. And let's leave the other two for the default image. So you can see that the default image is still valid for the ones that don't have any image URL. So here the missing part is to sync now. You will see that now is sync and the change should be applied. And yeah, here you see that your stores have the new changes. If you have any question, reach to us.